Drug. Send me baby action.
What's next? What's next? What's next? Oh, they gon' be wondering what's next. They be asking what's next? What's next? What's next? Man, we on the rising nowadays.
Homie, we hustle.
What's next?
Homie, we hustle.
What's next?
Homie, we hustle.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it is 20,000 pounds. Do it then. Yeah, you know, you talk to Zusar Impressions, my guy. He knows I have good quality gold. Yeah. Yes. Please, can I talk to my... Okay. You know what? I'm seeing a very little short boy. I don't know. He's very stranded. Yeah. Good looking guy. Okay.
Boss, Madam Bacho, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
My boss na the black magic. As mom's and come from Levan, come while muches newa. That's yam papa, my jammy phone. Oh,
Wow.
I'm to patron carpet him to phone among come from among baby.
Wow, little stranded boy.
Oh,
You have this black magic cover?
yes, black magic.
Come on, give it to Van Vico.
My dad almost almost trying to mean baby on Monty, so bet him to phone my from Nakama baby on one miss.
You got their numbers in your brain?
Yeah, I get in my brain.
You can remember?
I remember. You were so grand, some patch. Maybe I said, but you said,
Okay. Yeah.
Hello, Mamika. Mabadulo,
Call him.
Mabadu, number 4, Kwala. I'm your baby, I'm a phone ID. I'm a taxi, I'm a fire ID. At home, I'm a Mabadu. Oh, Mabadu.
Drug. Yeah.
Grab more.
Send me baby action.
What's next?